Well, I've added to the collection. We better get started. Today is going to be a fast video. It is 8 wigs in 8 minutes. Now don't start counting that 8 minutes until I start showing you the wigs. I know I have a ton of new subscribers. First of all, welcome. You're so welcome here to my channel. I want to tell you quickly how this works. I, about once or twice a month, show you a few wigs in a short amount of time. Sometimes I do 5 wigs in 5 minutes. It just depends. Today it's 8 wigs in 8 minutes. They're all the same wig. They are my Jon Renau Ignite. If you're not interested in Ignite, this is not your video because that is what this is going to be. However, this is not a wig review. I have reviewed Ignite so many times. If you want to see the full review where you want to know everything about this wig, just type the word Ignite in the search bar of my channel and reviews will pop up. I've done a lot of them. Today is just a fun video. It's fun for me and fun for you, I hope, where I show you the colors I have collected of one of my very favorite styles. Let's get started. All right, quickly about Ignite. It has a lace front. There are no mono features in Ignite. It has permatease, and all of mine look different. And keep in mind, the reason for that is I've had a lot of these a long time. Some I have added heat to, some I have not added heat to. Some I have really smoothed with heat to make them smoother, some I have not because I want to get a lot of volume. So not all of mine are gonna look exactly the same. These are heat-friendly fibers. Keep your styling tools to 275 to 300 degrees. Quickly, the front of Ignite is 8 inches. The sides are 5 1/4, it's 5.7 crown down. It has a 1.5 inch nape and it weighs 2.7 ounces. I love the nape on this wig. Absolutely love it. Keep in mind also that Ignite comes in 3 sizes. It comes in petite, average, and large. I can wear the petite and the average. I have a 21 1/4 inch head circumference. Let's start it off with caramel ribbon. I love this color. Look how gorgeous this color is, y'all. So pretty. I love it for fall. Yeah, look at the highlights. Caramel ribbon. This is one of my all-time favorite colors, shaded Mocha. I'm so glad that they offer Ignite in this color. I really am. You know, this is the perfect one to put behind your ears. There's so much you can do with it. For all of my ladies who love your grays, 101F48T, otherwise known as Martini. Also, this one is a non-rooted shade. I know that a lot of you prefer that. Look how pretty the lace front is on this color. All right, on this one you notice I changed the parting to the other side. Just because it doesn't have a mono top doesn't mean you can't change the part. I do it all the time. This one is strawberry syrup. I love, look at this color. It is beautiful. So pretty. I love it. It just has these subtle highlights in it, making it just have a little pop. I love Ignite in these blonde shades. This one is Venice Blonde. It's been one of the most popular colors for Jon Renau, as you know. Just a beautiful, beautiful California blonde. This is one of my newer ones. This is Eclair 24BT18. This is like shaded Mocha with no rooting. So, oh my gosh, I need this color in some more styles. I put a headband on with this one. I just want to show you. This has the lace front. So you can show that lace front and enjoy wearing it off your face as well. All right, so this is Toffee Truffle. I love this color this time of the year. It's just a warm, beautiful, rich shade. And then I just put mine up in a little clip just for something fun. So this is my newest color. This is a newer color to Ignite, not a new color to Jon Renau, but a newer color to Ignite. This is Catalina Blonde. I love it. I love it so much. It is such, it makes me think of summer. It's just such a beautiful bright blonde, very bright around the face. You just cannot go wrong. I hope you saw something in this lineup that you liked. I don't know how close we got to 8 minutes, but give or take a little bit. Let me know your thoughts below. What was your favorite? Have you tried Ignite? And if you have you tried any of these colors? Let me know. Can't wait to hear from you, and get ready for, I have a feeling I may have a few more coming. Have a great day. I'll see you soon.